video. Today I'm going to discuss the Windows 10 tablet with you guys. I got it installed here on the GSX, and just basically so I could log and tune on the go. And I got the idea from Jason Drew, and you guys know who he is. Kind of just threw it together, basically the same thing in my own version. So here's a little example of it. It is just a Windows 10 tablet. It's called a Fusion 5. It was about 200 bucks. Then I spent about 30 bucks on this mount from Amazon. It's actually really stiff. You can tighten it up and stuff with this little knob right here. But since it's a Windows 10 tablet, it's essentially a laptop. So it runs Windows 10 like regular. It's just my home screen. I got ECM link there. So I just pop it up and then start, stop, capture, you know, basically how DSM link works for the most part. You can use your fingers, do whatever. It's a little hard to fat finger, especially if you're trying to do this stuff while driving. And as far as like trying to do cells and stuff, it's like takes a minute, and it's not the easiest to basically do with your fingers. So what I did is I spent, I think, 30 or 40 bucks. It's just a Bluetooth mouse. I just click it on, it automatically Bluetooth links to that. Just use it on my leg and boom, it works. Makes it super easy. Highlight, multiply, whatever. A keyboard would be nice, but I mean, I just pull it up here on the bottom, click, do whatever I gotta do to do that. So 10 out of 10, would recommend, especially if like you do your own tuning or whatever. Pretty helpful item, especially just like honestly, when I drive the DSM, pretty much I take it out and I'm in full boost at least once per drive, whether I'm going to work, home from work. At some point I'm probably doing a second or third gear pull. Definitely some days more than others, so it's a good way to regulate it, especially as the season's changing. You know, a lot of people are getting out of like the hotter days of summer now. Sorry, this car vibrates a lot. It's got balance shaft deletes and solid motor mounts, so like here, I'll put the camera on the wheel. Yeah, but besides that, definitely worth it. Would recommend it. I'll try to link it down below, the exact mount and piece that I got. I ended up just screwing mine into the dash up here, but yeah, you can see like shows everything, and it's also cool to check out. You can see your miles per gallon, your speed, you know, everything you can data log, you can show. So pretty useful. Probably get some driving around, get some logs shown on this for you guys. That way you kind of see how ECM link works if you don't know. Yeah, so let's go for a little drive. So this is like a week or so, I'd say, after I finished breaking in the clutch. I got 530, so I'm about 600 miles on the new clutch right now. Pedal's way stiffer than the last one. I also did change a bunch of stuff in it, but so far it's been pretty good, so hopefully that'll still hold up for this. Alright, I'll do a quick little second gear for you guys here. Try to do this one-handed, so but yeah, pretty cool. Just kind of monitors everything, makes it a little less stressful while driving, you know. Something else I also forgot to mention, with this tablet, it has a regular USB port. I believe this is a HDMI port, I can't really see from the side, and then a micro USB, and it also has its own charger. So what I'm doing is I'm charging it with the micro USB through my radio wires. There's usually a USB port coming off the back or the front, so it's always charging, so it's always going to be on while my car's on. And then I got DSM link plugged into the USB port, also plugged into OBD, so that'll always be on too. The only thing really I have left to do is I'm gonna put some of that like double-sided Velcro sticky tape on here, and probably just mount the cable here and maybe tuck the wire back under the dash or something, just so if I do have a passenger, it's not super in their way. I mean, even right now it might brush their knee or whatever, but just to tuck it up out of the way, make it a little more cleaner. But awesome, definitely recommend. Like, comment, subscribe, and go check out my other videos. Thanks, have a good one.